Well, this shipwreck is pretty special. It's intact, but it's just full of so much material.
We found exposed bottles right underneath cannons, actually, so they look pretty cool sitting there.
So we've got guys from MAT with us today, Maritime Archaeology Trust. We're doing some photogrammetry of the site.
And conditions look amazing. So we're going for a full photogrammetry coverage of the site, create a site plan in maybe 1 or 2 dives. We'll be taking 2,000 photographs each across 2 cameras. So that should enable us to stitch all that together for a 3D model of the scene from photographs.
We're measuring areas that are very dynamic. At the stern, there's a big drop of about ½ a metre of sand has been eroded away, swept away, and that, unfortunately, is where all the bottles have been found, so we're not sure how much has been lost.
You can see which areas are vulnerable, which areas have got really interesting material to actually address research questions you have for the site.
It's looking great, and you can see a lot more of the wreck and really understand the potential of the site. This is really by far the most significant wreck we've ever dived on.